Two bomb blasts rock Borno community. The explosion, which occurred on Monday night around 8:38 p.m. Two bomb blast explosions have occurred in Madirari village in Gonduga local government area of Borno State. The explosions occurred on Monday night around 8:38 p.m. A security source told reporters that the details of the actual casualties could not be ascertained yet, but more than 2 persons were killed in the blast. There were 2 explosions in Mendura, Agunwan around 2:30 p.m. this evening, he said. That is a report reaching us from Borno. I will keep you informed and I will give you more details concerning this. Just keep awake with Awakes Network.